Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here in Menor, Ohio today, putting in a system, and we're here to pick up the post-test after the mitigation installation. As you can see here, that fan doesn't need to draw very hard for us to get good results. This guy came to us without a prior radon test on the books. He just knew that all the neighbors around had mitigation systems, so he went ahead and installed one. With the installation here, we were able to bring that level down, I'm assuming, to 0.5. So pretty good results for a fan not having to draw too hard. We'll go outside and take a look at the system, and I'll be back with you guys in just a minute. Alright guys, we are outside and checking on that system up the siding of the wall here. As you can see, it's got its own junction box there. So it's got its own little electrical power to it. Usually we run into about 45 bucks a year of extra electricity usage out of our system. Very minimal, maybe a couple of bucks a month. But the system itself looks really good. You can see it running right along the siding there, right up above the roof line. Again, that code for Ohio has to be 12 inches above the roof line. Little varmint guard on top there to make sure no curious squirrels go flying down the tube or anything like that. But all in all, this was a very good installation, and we got very good results out of it. So stay tuned for more content, and thank you guys for checking us out.